Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, where we try to teach computer users to become HTML programmers. Before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out. If you only have a rough idea of what HTML is, or if you have no clue, I recommend that you check out that video before we run with this video. But if you're all good, let's get started. Let's see. Okay. So let's have your text editor out, your browser out, and have those two applications open to the file we'll be working on. And before we learn what I have for you today, I would like you to copy this highlighted code onto your text editor, and if you need to, pause the video. If you're all good, we'll go ahead with this video. So let's type out the quote tag here, just like so. Save. Okay, it does nothing, of course. So we'll type in between the start and end tag. This is a quote. All right, we save. Okay, so you notice on the browser now there's our line of text with some quotes here. So for comparison, we will use a commonly used tag called the p tag. We'll just copy and paste this, and we'll say instead of this is, we'll say this is not. There we go, save. Okay, so then you notice this is different already. As you can see, this line of text has quotes, and this line of text does not have quotes. So basically what this quote tag does is add quotation marks on both ends of the line of text that's inside the quotation tag. And that's it for this quotation tag. If you like this video, you can go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, you can leave me a thumbs down. And if you have something to say, you can go ahead and quote your comments down in the comment section below. And if you think I've earned it, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of all my upcoming videos. And that's all for now. See you guys next time.